Hi everybody, it's Glenn, and I wanted to show you an example of what I do for the DepKETOSIS coffee or black tea in the morning. I typically use an organic. I generally do half decaf and half caffeinated. I just get this at Trader Joe's. This is an organic fair trade coffee. So you can see that I've got the coffee already made here. Now the combination of what I do is I use either the Dr. Mercola Ketone Energy MCT or this Energy Field Labs. I just happen to have this right now. Now I use a full capful. This is a 32-ounce bottle. I use a full capful of this. If you've never used MCT oil in the past, I would recommend only starting with maybe a teaspoon because if you get too aggressive with it too quickly, it could cause diarrhea or some other GI distress, unrest, I should say. If I have a taste for a sweetener, this is Lakanto that I've got in a little container here. This is a little quarter teaspoon, so I might put a quarter teaspoon of Lakanto if I have a taste for something a little bit sweeter. I take a little bit, like about an eighth of a teaspoon, so half of this, of Himalayan salt. That's always really good for replenishing the electrolyte minerals. And then also using a pretty generous, as you can see, the butter that I've already cut here, a pretty generous amount of butter that I'm going to drop in there. And then it's as simple as, now I'm going to pour in my coffee. I get the right amount in there. Okay, we're looking good there. And then any blender will work. We happen to have a Vitamix, which we use for many things other than just blending coffee. So bear with me with the sound for a minute. Okay, and then you like to blend that. I like to blend it for at least 30 seconds. I don't count it, but I just have it blending for a little bit. And then what you get to enjoy is what you're seeing right here. So again, this could be coffee or black tea. And you can see that the MCT oil and the butter, as you blend it, kind of froths up, and it makes a really good, yummy treat. Of course, if you like coffee or black tea. And this is what I'm going to have in the morning, and I probably won't eat a regular meal until at least like 10 or 11 o'clock, because this completely satisfies me through the first part of the day. So that's your little tip today on the DepKETOSIS coffee or black tea. All right, take care. We'll talk to you guys soon. If you have any questions, just post those below.